The cabin air filter in 2019-2021 Chevy Blazers is located behind the glove compartment. To access it, first fully open the glove box. Next, remove the two plastic stoppers or pins from the glove box's hinge arms. You can usually just pull them straight out. This will allow the glove box to lower completely, revealing the filter housing behind it. In some models, use a flathead screwdriver to gently pry open the housing lid. Disconnect any electrical connectors attached to the glove box if present. All of this is to gain access to the cabin air filter. Once you've accessed the filter housing, unclip it and slide out the old filter. Note the direction of the airflow arrow on the old filter. When inserting the new filter, make sure the airflow arrow on the new filter points in the same direction, typically towards the rear of the vehicle. Then, reassemble everything in reverse order. Clip the housing back in place, reconnect any electrical connectors, and reattach the glove box stoppers or pins. Ensure that you purchase the correct filter and properly install it with the correct directional orientation, or the air quality will not improve. Consider HEPA filters to improve air quality greatly.